As a man thinketh. About the author. James Allen was a world-renowned philosophical writer and poet, known for his sensitive and intelligent perspectives on complex subjects such as philosophy, faith, spirituality, and the law. The versatility and simplicity with which he dealt with these subjects made them easy to comprehend. James Allen was born on November 28, 1864 at 21 Brunswick Street in Leicester, England to William, a stocking framework knitter, and Martha, who was 37 years old when she gave birth to him. When Allen was 15, his father, tiring of a life of hardships, took the remaining possessions they had as a family along with money and left for the United States with the intent of starting a new life for his family there. Unfortunately, 2 days after arriving in New York, his father unexpectedly passed away. The death of his father caused Allen to leave school and begin work. He followed in his father's footsteps, working as a framework knitter. Despite his punishing schedule, Allen would continue to read and study and chanced upon Shakespeare's The Light of Asia at the age of 24. In what would be a spiritual awakening for Allen, this book nudged Allen on his path towards peace, allowing him to draw inspiration from many spiritual and religious pursuits and from influential writers like Shakespeare, Milton, Emerson, the Bible, Buddha, Whitman, Rennie, and Lodge. Allen was married to Lily Ozia Oram. Mind is the master power that molds and makes, and man is mind. And evermore he takes the tool of thought, and shaping what he wills, brings forth 1,000 joys, 1,000 ills. He thinks in secret, and it comes to pass. Environment is but his looking glass. Author of From Passion to Peace. Content of this book: forward, thought and character, effect of thought on circumstances, effect of thought on health and the body, thought and purpose, the thought factor in achievement, visions and ideals, serenity. Goethe says that whatever you can do or dream, you can begin it. Boldness has genius, power and magic in it. Forward. This little volume, the result of meditation and experience, is not intended as an exhaustive treatise on the much written upon subject of the power of thought. It is suggestive rather than explanatory, its object being to stimulate men and women to the discovery and perception of the truth that they themselves are makers of themselves by virtue of the thoughts which they choose, and encourage that mind is the master weaver both of the inner garment of character and the outer garment of circumstance, and that as they may have hitherto woven in ignorance and pain, they may now view in enlightenment and happiness. James Allen.